In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom roles in QuickBooks Online Advanced. We'll be working in the rules area of QuickBooks, which lets you automate how incoming and outgoing transactions are handled, categorized, and linked to customers. This is a great way to save time and keep your books consistent, especially if you see the same types of charges or deposits every month. First, open QuickBooks Online Advanced and sign in so you're on your main dashboard. Make sure you're using a profile with the right permissions to manage bookkeeping settings, since creating and editing rules requires access to company settings. Next, head to the Settings menu, the small gear icon in the upper right corner. This is your control center for company preferences and advanced tools. From there, look for Rules. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Banking or Bookkeeping. The Rules page shows any existing rules and is where you'll add new ones. Select New Rule to begin. Give your rule a clear descriptive name so it's obvious what it does at a glance. For example, you might name it after a vendor or a recurring purpose. Choose whether this applies to money in or money out, and select the bank or credit card accounts the rule should watch. Narrowing it to specific accounts can help you avoid accidental matches. Now start typing your rule requirements. Build the conditions that tell QuickBooks when to apply the rule. You can match on details like description, payee, bank text, or amount, and you can decide whether all conditions must be met or if any one of them is enough. A helpful tip: look at the exact wording that appears on your bank feed and copy a distinctive phrase into the Contains field. That small detail improves accuracy and prevents the rule from catching unrelated transactions. If you regularly see two vendors with similar names, add a second condition to keep things precise. Scroll down to the Customer field to link matching transactions to the right customer. This is especially useful if you job cost, invoice for billable expenses, or want cleaner customer profitability reports. If you don't see the customer you need, confirm it's already set up in your customer list. While you're here, consider setting the category, class, location, and memo so every match lands in the right place with the right context. Before you finish, double-check the conditions and assignments. A focused rule is better than a broad one, and you can always refine it later. Once it's in place, watch your next bank feed. New transactions that meet your criteria will be suggested or auto-filled based on your choices, speeding up your review and keeping your books consistent.